A Starbucks eGift is a digital gift card you can send to someone's phone via text message, either through SMS or iMessage. This allows the recipient to redeem it for coffee, food, or merchandise at any Starbucks location or online. First, you'll need a Starbucks account, which you can create for free in the Starbucks app or on their website. To send a gift, open the app or website and select the Send eGift option. You can customize the gift by choosing an amount between $5 and $500, selecting a design, and adding a personalized message. Enter the recipient's phone number and choose to send it via SMS for non-iPhone users or iMessage if they have an iPhone. Finally, confirm your payment, which is processed instantly. SMS messages send a text with a redemption code, while iMessage can deliver the gift with richer media like animations. Here's how it looks when sending an eGift via phone. The recipient can redeem the eGift by scanning the barcode or entering the code in the app or in-store. Starbucks uses encryption for secure mobile sends, and each code is one-time use and typically expires after a year. Sending Starbucks eGifts via text offers several key benefits. It's incredibly convenient with instant delivery, and over 70% of these gifts are sent through mobile apps, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. Current trends show a strong shift toward virtual gifts, which aligns perfectly with Starbucks' sustainability goals by reducing paper waste. This was evident in the 25% increase in SMS eGifts during the 2024 holiday season. The numbers speak for themselves. Starbucks processed 1.2 billion eGifts in 2024, with 40% of them sent via SMS or iMessage, highlighting the popularity of text-based gifting. Looking ahead, expect greater personalization through AI, enhanced security features, and better integration with platforms like Apple Pay and Venmo. Future innovations may include voice-to-text integration and AR previews in iMessage. As expert Sarah Johnson notes, SMS eGifts like Starbucks are revolutionizing impulsive gifting, with mobile's ubiquity making them more personal than emails. Watch as an eGift card is sent virtually from one phone to another, demonstrating the seamless mobile experience.